Let's learn how to do this explosion video. The first thing to do is here in Google search for explosion fire with alpha channel. I'm going to click in this very first link right here. There's a ton of videos to choose, but I'll pick this one. After you've successfully downloaded your video, time to go to Davinci Resolve. This is the video on the base that I want to make the explosion, so I add it into the timeline. Let's go to the Edit tab here. I'll double click on my video and also unlink the audio from the video and delete it. Now I'll click and drag the explosion video into my timeline. Here in this window, we will go for Open Effects and click here to search for 3D gear. Add the effect to the explosion video. Now we will go to this window and select Effect. I'll move forward the video a bit to better make the selection. Click in this box icon and select Open Effects Overlay. Now, let's go back to the Effects window. Now, you can just draw a line into your video like this, and that's it. Now, it's a matter of adjusting the zoom and position values of the explosion and the speed of your video and the length of it, considering the base video that you have. For me, the best explosion was this size right at the moment this boy hits this wood panel. And for better result, I changed the explosion speed to 200%. The next step is going back to Google and searching for explosion audio. Choose the one that you think is good enough. Going back into DaVinci, I'll add this audio into my timeline and now I'll search here at Toolbox for solid color. I'll add it into my timeline and change its color to white. I'll reduce it as much as I can to create more of an explosion effect style and also to get it right the time that the explosion happens in my video. Then I'll add the audio into my timeline and do the same idea again. Resize it and do it right the time where the explosion happens. After I'm done with the adjustments, I can select the entire video part and, with the right button of the mouse, select this new compound clip option here. After that, I'll go to the exact moment that my solid color appears and I'll crop its beginning and its end. I'll go here into the effects again, open effects, and choose camera shake. I'll add it into the part that I cropped. In this effects section again, I'll reduce the values to 0.5 for both of these to reduce a bit of the camera shake. The one value is much intense in my opinion. That's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching.